Hi everyone, Kirk here with the BMW Motorrad Club of Northern Illinois, bringing you a product review. This review is on the Moto-Skiveez technical riding shirt. Now, I picked this shirt up when I was out in Salt Lake last year, so in 2017, and it's 2018 now. I've worn it quite a few times and washed it quite a few times too. And I have to say, I'm really very happy with this shirt. You can tell it's been designed by somebody that rides a motorcycle. It has ventilation, as you can see, on the back. It's got kind of like a mesh back here. It's made out of polyester, so it has a lot of wicking capability. And I rode this thing, you know, once I bought it out in Salt Lake, I rode it all the way home, wore it for about 3 days, and really didn't have any issue with stink. And one thing I liked about it is that, you know, it is made to, it's a long sleeve shirt, so made to go underneath your riding jacket, and it kind of keeps some of the sweat from permeating into your jacket and getting it as nasty as possible. It's held up very well. I'll put it on in just a second here, but I'm not going to take the current shirt that I have on off because ladies. So it's got a thumb hole. You can put your thumbs through it. And then when you go and you put it on in your jacket, this thing doesn't fall down to your elbow when you go and slip it in there, especially if you've got like a European cut jacket where it's, you know, a little bit tighter. This will slip in there, and then you just, you know, pull it out for comfort, put your gloves on, away you go. I would say that they fit a little bit, probably a little bit large actually. This is actually a medium. I normally wear a large in all of my shirts. The t-shirt that I have on underneath, that's a large. This is actually a medium. And I think that's designed on purpose that way so that it fits a broader spectrum of people. If I were to have a large, obviously it would be just more baggy. I like my shirts to be a little bit more form-fitting so that it has the greatest opportunity to pull the sweat away. You know, it's worked out really well. You can see it's got mesh through here. It does come down into the armpit where you're going to sweat the most. Yeah, it's got a zipper on here too, so you can zip this thing all the way up and pull the collar up. Now, it's not so high of a collar that it's going to interfere with anything like your helmet, and it doesn't create a lot of bulk around your neck so that, you know, when you pull up your other zipper on your jacket, you're not like sitting there choking to death. Overall, I'm very pleased with this product. I'm really glad that I got it. I tell you what, I really like the Moto-Skiveez company. You know, you may have seen my review that I did on the Moto-Skiveez socks. I still have that same pair of socks, and I use them all the time on large trips. Anything over like 4 hours, they're a little bit difficult to put on because they're tight, because they're compression socks. But the way I feel at the end of the day is just great. I don't have any edema or anything like that in my legs. Talking about this shirt, this is a great purchase. Really like what the Moto-Skiveez company is doing, what they've done. They've got everything from, you know, underwear, socks. Most of their stuff is undergarments, but they do have a couple different technical garments. They got this technical shirt, and they have an up-and-coming traveler shirt. And maybe you'll see that one the next time I go out to a rally. Maybe I'll pick one of those up and do a review on that shirt as well. So looking forward to it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Check out our channel. Also, if you'd like to support me directly, you can check out patreon.com/Kirk Johnson. It's right down there in the description below. And guys, I will see you on the next one.